If you've forgotten your Epic Games email or password, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to find your email if you're already logged in, how to recover it if you're not, and how to reset your password safely. This is a super useful tutorial if you can't access your Fortnite account, Rocket League account, or any other Epic Games login. If this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, if you're already logged in to Epic Games, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the site loads, click Sign In if needed, then go to your profile and open Account. In the Account section, look for Account Info. Here, you'll see your email address listed. That is the email connected to your Epic Games account, so you can copy it down or save it somewhere safe. Now, if you forgot which email you used and you're not signed in, try logging in with any platform account that may be linked to Epic Games. You can try Google, Xbox, PlayStation, or Apple, depending on what you used before. This is often the easiest way to get back in if you don't remember the original email. Once you successfully log in through one of those linked accounts, go right back to Account Info and check your email address there. Epic Games does not let you directly view your password, so if you forgot it, the next step is to reset it. To do that, go back to the Epic Games login page and click Forgot Password. Enter the email address associated with your account, then check your inbox for the password reset message from Epic Games. If you don't see it right away, also check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. Open the email, follow the reset link, and create a new password that you haven't used before. Make sure it's strong and easy for you to remember, and ideally save it in a password manager so you don't get locked out again. So just to recap, if you're logged in, check Account Info to find your email. If you forgot the email, try logging in with a linked Google, Xbox, PlayStation, or Apple account. And if you forgot your password, use Forgot Password on the login page and reset it through your email inbox. I hope this quick guide helped you recover your Epic Games login details. If it did, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.